Everyone, this is Dr. Revati. Now today we are going to discuss about by the principle of mathematical induction, how to use the solution of by the principle of mathematical induction this given statement 4 cube plus 8 cube plus 12 cube plus so on plus n terms equals to 16n square into n plus 1 whole square. Prove that by using principle of finite mathematical induction theorem. Okay, yeah. The given statement means here 4 cube plus 8 cube plus 12 cube plus so on plus n terms equals to 16 n square into n plus 1 whole square. This is the given statement. Assume that the given statement s of n, that is 4q plus 8q, let s of n equals to 4q plus 8q plus 12q plus so on plus n terms equals to 16n square into n plus 1 whole square. Okay, by the principle of finite mathematical induction theorem, here the given statement s of n prove that first of all let n equals to 1, n equals to k and n equals to k plus 1. Okay, in this n terms, here find out nth term first of all. Nth term means here suppose n equals to 1, that is 4 cube, 4 into 1 cube, 4n whole cube. Suppose n equals to 1, 4 into 1 cube plus n equals to 2. 4 2s are 8, 8 cube. N equals to 3. So 4 3s are 12, 12 cube. So we'll get the series of the terms for n equals to 1, 2, 3, so on in this expression. So this is the nth term of the given statement. Therefore, here write s of n equals to 4q plus 8q plus 12q plus so on plus 4n whole cube equals to 16n square into n plus 1 whole square. Now we are going to solve according to the principle of finite mathematical induction theorem. First of all, let n equals to 1. Verify the given statement both LHS and RHS. First of all, verify LHS. The nth term, that is 4n whole cube equals to 4 into 1 whole cube, that is 4 cube. That is 4 cube means 64. Next of all, verify the RHS. RHS implies 16n square into n plus 1 whole square, that is 16 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1 whole square, that is 16 into 1 into 2 square, 16 4s are 64. Therefore, here LHS will get 64 and RHS will get 64. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. The given statement S of n is to for n equals to 1. Now the given statement assuming that let n equals to k, S of k equals to 4 cube plus 8 cube plus 12 cube plus on plus 4k whole cube equals to 16k square into k plus 1 whole square. This is the equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Okay, here next we have to prove that the given statement S of n is true for n equals to k plus 1 So here in place of k substitute k plus 1 whole cube, 4 cube into k plus 1 whole cube. Adding in this series of kth term LHS and RHS by the term 4 cube into k plus 1 whole cube. Adding LHS and RHS, now solving, will get the given statement is true for S of k plus 1. Okay, now adding LHS and RHS, the term 4 cube into k plus 1 whole cube or 64 into k plus 1 whole cube by equation 2. Then what is the equation 2? Here substitute the kth term of the statement, that is 4 cube, this S of k, 4 cube plus 8 cube plus 12 cube plus so on plus 4k whole cube plus 64 into k plus 1 whole cube. Adding LHS. The RHS means, what is RHS here? 16k square into k plus 1 whole square. Adding here 64 into k plus 1 whole cube. Now adding RHS, this term 64 into k plus 1 whole cube. Okay, now solving the right side. Here 16k square into k plus 1 whole square plus 64 into k plus 1 whole cube. And these two terms, k plus 1 whole square is there in the common here. K plus 1 whole square into 16k square plus k plus 1 into 64 that equals to k plus 1 whole square into 16k square plus, this is k plus 1 whole square k plus 1 whole square into 16k square plus, sorry, this is only k plus 1, there is only one k plus 1 here, 64k, multiplying this k plus 1 into 64k plus 64, then k plus 1 whole square into this term 16 will get the common here, k square 16 fours are 64. Again 16 fours are 64. K square plus 4k plus 4. Here in this term, sorry, 16 into factorization here, k square plus 2k plus 2k plus 4, k plus 1 whole square into 16 into these two terms, k into k plus 2 plus k into, 2 into k plus 2. Then only write k plus 2 into k plus 2. This is 16 here, as it is, write k plus 1 whole square. Therefore 16 into k plus 1 whole square, this is, write k plus 2 whole square. Again write 16 into k plus 1 whole square. In this term, write k plus 1 plus 1 whole square. Okay, the given statement is true for s of n. Here k plus 1. That is, here suppose substitute in place of n k plus 1, s of k plus 1 equals to, LHS means is there 4q plus 8q plus 12q, 4q plus 8q plus 12q plus so on plus 4k whole cube equals to 4 cube into, this is k plus 1 whole cube equals to, here this RHS, verify RHS here, 16 into, in place of n, k plus 1 whole square, k plus 1 whole square, here also in place of n, k plus 1 plus 1 whole square, will get the required result, true for the given statement. S of n, satisfying the principle of finite mathematical induction for n equals to 1, n equals to k, and n equals to 1, n equals to k, n equals to k plus 1. Okay, thank you.